everyone, welcome to my channel. I go by Emerald Glow, and today you guys are getting unready with me. So I'm actually doing this kind of toward the evening, but I just wanted to do it when I had good lighting still. So I'm gonna go over how I get off all my makeup at the end of the day and my skincare routine before I go to sleep. So stay tuned if you want to see. First, I'm going in with this cloth right here. It is called Always Off Makeup Cloths. These are so good. I can't recommend them enough. They take off everything from the foundation, your eyes, your lips, even matte lips, with just water. All you have to do is wet this, and it's just a makeup remover, and it's just a cloth. And then when you're done, you just stick it in the wash and you can reuse it. So less waste, less products to buy, and it's just amazing. If I don't have one of these handy, I will definitely go in with coconut oil because that breaks down the products on your face until it just kind of melts everywhere. It's kind of messy, but it works really well, and it's good for your skin too. If you have neither of those, then you can go in with this micellar water, cleansing water, or makeup wipes. But I tend to stay away from them for taking off all my makeup because they're rough on my skin, and I feel like my eyelashes can start sometimes fall off when I'm trying to take off my mascara, so I recommend these. So this is already wet. I'm just gonna take it off right now, and you'll see how fast and easy it is. I'm gonna try to be gentle. I am gentle, at least I think I am, but sometimes when I'm watching, when I'm rewatching and editing my videos, I look kind of like I'm roughly wiping my face or brushing my face, or like with the beauty sponge. And I promise it doesn't hurt me. It's just, it looks rougher than I am. I don't know. Maybe I am. Just hard. Whatever. Okay, now I'm gonna take off my makeup. And when I'm taking off my makeup, I like to stay on one spot for a little while. That way all the product gets soaked up. And go underneath your eyes too. Underneath your eyelashes to get off all the extra stuff. And I usually just keep this in the shower, so that way I just get everything done at once. These were actually given to me as a gift by some of my friends, so thank you again. Before I discovered these, I would always go into the shower forgetting to take off my makeup, and then I would come out looking like The Grudge, and you don't want to do that. And I don't have on that much makeup. I just have foundation, blush, bronzer, mascara, brows, highlight, and lip gloss, which sounds like a lot now that I'm listing it. While I'm using this, I just keep shifting to the spot that I haven't used, so that way I'm not spreading it all over my face. Make sure you get all the crevices by your nose, your mouth. And there it is. All my makeup. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Honestly, everybody needs this. Such a good product. Okay, now I'm gonna go wash my face and I'm gonna come back with the soap so that you can see what I use. I washed my face with this facial cleanser. It is Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. Don't get the gentle facial cleanser. It looks exactly the same, but it is not, and it works very different. But this one is my absolute favorite. I have not changed it in like 2 years, and it's never given me problems. So yeah, after I wash, I go in with a toner. I used to use what was in here, the coconut rose, and then I filled it with the witch hazel, and then when that ran out, I made my own rose water with aloe and witch hazel mixed together. And that should be on my TikTok by the time you guys see this. So follow my TikTok. And while you're at it, follow me on Instagram. And while you're at it, subscribe. So mix it all up, and I store this in the fridge so it's nice and refreshing. So you can use rose water, that Mario Badescu spray. Witch hazel, I like using witch hazel, however, it can be really drying. So I try to stay away from pure witch hazel. I usually mix it with someone else, with something else, usually rose water and aloe. Enough of that. Chapstick. I actually made this chapstick myself too. It has beeswax. I actually made it with my friend. It has beeswax, coconut oil. Wow, I forget what's in it, but it's all natural ingredients and it just feels so good. It's my favorite chapstick. For some reason I say chapstick like chopstick, like the thing you eat with. After the chapstick is done, I go in sometimes with my eye serum and sometimes with my moisturizer. I honestly don't know which one's supposed to go first, and I switch it up all the time. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna sit here and say that I put one first then the other, because I don't. I just do one and then the other. But I'll just go in with my moisturizer first, and it has a crack on the side. Pretty sure my brother did that, but I love this cream. It's actually a gel cream by Neutrogena. It's called Hydro Boost for extra dry skin, and it has hyaluronic acid. So super good for your skin, so good. Like the first ingredient is water. Oil-free, fragrance-free, dye-free. Instantly quenches skin and keeps it looking smooth, supple, and hydrated day after day. Nothing else compares, and it's kind of expensive, so I buy it when it's on sale, but it's honestly, it's worth it. It's worth every penny that you put into it. My skin just drinks it all up. So I put it evenly. Don't forget your neck. I rub that in. Like a little massage. I always get this part of my nose because that's where I have dry spots all the time. And just like that, it's already in my skin. Like there's nothing on my skin right now. Like it just feels really soft. My skin already absorbed it all. It's all dry. Not dry, but like there's nothing to spread around anymore because my skin drank it. Now I go in with my cooling eye serum. It has aloe vera and it's from Nature Republic. I use aloe because my eyes can get really puffy when I wake up. It has these metal spheres on it, so I squeeze it and the product comes out and it's very cooling on your eyes. I go underneath my eye and right here in that outer corner, because I feel like that's where wrinkles start and you want to keep it all moisturized to keep the elasticity. This feels so good. Just keep doing this. I pat that in with my ring finger. You want to use your ring finger because it's the weakest finger, so you're not gonna be so harsh on your eyes. And I don't want to rub it because that also gives you wrinkles. You just want to lightly pat it. And I'm sorry if you hear my dog. For some reason he's freaking out right now. I think he wants to go outside, but he's not allowed outside right now. Now for the final step, I go in with some sweet almond oil. So I put it in this dropper because this dropper bottle, because I thought it was so cute. But this is just almond oil. There's different levels of oil absorption, like how fast or how easy your skin can absorb oil, certain oils. And there's like levels to it, and I forget the name of it, but I think that jojoba oil and sunflower seed oil have the same type of consistency or level or whatever it's called as sweet almond oil. So those can be alternatives. I don't use fancy serums. You can also use vitamin E oil. I only put 3 drops. And as always, before you try anything new, make sure you do a patch test on your arm or wrist. And I put oil after everything to seal in the moisture. Just feels so good. I love doing my night skin routine. I do have a little bit of spots and freckles right now from being outside, but that's okay. And that's it. That's all I do before I go to sleep, which can seem like a lot if you're new to it. Let me actually count how many steps I have. Wash your face, toner, moisturizer, eye serum, and oil. Yep, and chapstick. Also water. I always have a cup of water before I go to sleep. Every single night. I don't know why. I didn't even do it because of my skin. I just did it because I wanted water at night all the time, which does make you have to pee, but it also makes you have nice skin. So I think it's worth it. And I also usually have an orange. I don't know if that has anything to do with my skin, but I have an orange and a glass of water before I go to sleep. That's it. Love your skin, please. And comment any questions that you have, or if you want to know any alternatives. I know a couple, but I think I said most of them. Make sure you subscribe if you like my content. And check out my other self-care videos. I have a couple. Like this video if you like it. Good night.